Today I'm going to show you how to vectorize text in Photopea step by step so you can turn editable text into clean vector shapes. This is really useful if you want to adjust individual anchor points, create a more custom design, or export your text as a resolution-independent vector object. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photopea tips and design tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Photopea and make sure your project is already loaded with the text you want to vectorize. You can do this with any text layer, whether it's a headline, logo text, or a simple word or phrase. On the right side of the screen, look at the Layers panel and select the text layer you want to convert. This is important because Photopea needs to know exactly which text layer you want to work with before you make any changes. Once the text layer is selected, you have two ways to access the conversion option. You can right-click directly on the text layer in the Layers panel, or you can use the top menu bar and click Layer. Either way works, so use whichever is faster for you. After that, look for the option that says Convert to Shape and click it. The moment you do this, Photopea will convert your text from editable type into vector shapes. That means it will no longer behave like normal text where you can just click and type to edit the letters. Instead, it becomes a shape object made from vector paths. This is the key step that vectorizes the text. Now, why is this useful? Because vector shapes are resolution independent. That means you can scale them up or down without losing quality, which is especially helpful for logos, icons, and the design elements that need to stay crisp at any size. It also means you can work with the shape more precisely, since you can manipulate anchor points and paths in a way that normal text doesn't allow. After converting, you may notice that the text still looks the same visually, but internally it has changed into vector paths. If you need to make detailed edits, you can use the path and shape tools to adjust the outline. This gives you much more creative control over the final design. Just remember one important thing: once the text is converted to a shape, it is no longer editable as text. So if you think you might want to change the wording later, it's always a good idea to duplicate the text layer first or keep a backup version of your project. That way, you can preserve the original editable text in case you need it again. If you're working on a logo, poster, social media graphic, or any design where clean scaling matters, converting text to a shape in Photopea is one of the easiest ways to prepare it for professional-looking output. And because Photopea runs in your browser, you can do all of this without installing complicated software. So to quickly recap, select your text layer, right-click it, or go to the Layer menu and choose Convert to Shape. That will vectorize the text instantly and give you a fully resolution-independent shape object. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in your workflow. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photopea and graphic design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.